Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will add muzzle flashes to the characters. So I will just create a folder here and I will name it muzzle flashes. You can get the graphics for the muzzle flash from pngwing.com, pngwing.com or any other website. And now for this graphic we will make it alpha is transparency apply, and also for this alpha transparency apply. Okay, so now these are the transparent graphics. Now we will create a material over here and we'll go for the material and we can name it muzzle flash 1, and then we will go to the standard shader and we can go to the particles and standard surface unlit, and let's add this to the albedo and you can see this is the result. We will go to the transparent maybe. Okay, transparent is fine, and then we will also enable the two-sided, that is fine, soft particle distortion, and here we have the some other things, overlay, difference, multiply. I think overlay will work fine, but here in the rendering mode we can use cutout, transparent, or fade as well, but I think cutout is fine. And now we have the alpha cutout and we can just make it, I think here it looks good. And if we go for the reddish, little bit yellowish because it's very bright, and I think yellowish is fine. Yeah, a little bit like this. So now it looks good, I think, and now we can just duplicate this, Control D, and we can just rename this muzzle flash, and let's rename it, and we'll just, okay, this is muzzle flash 1 and rename it to the muzzle flash 2. This we will just drag off this texture here. Okay, now we can go back to the resources commando and then again we will go to the graphics, and then here for the guns we will just select the gun, and let's go to the, actually I can select this gun like this, and you can see we have assault 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's select the assault 1 and we'll just create a quad. Where is quad? Okay, and now you can see that we have a quad here. We will just bring this quad to the right position somewhere here. Okay, okay, yeah, that's great. And for the quad you can see we have a mesh collider, we don't need it, so we can delete this. And also we can have the materials and we have the default material. So instead of default material we will go to the muzzle flash and we'll add the muzzle flash material here. Okay, so now you can see the material over here, and now what we can do, we can actually, okay, why we will just hide the other guns because we don't know the where is this exactly. So now we have a perfect idea select this quad and we can rename it to the muzzle flash 1, and then we'll just make it bigger, something like this maybe. Yeah, I think this much is enough, and that's great. Now we will duplicate this and we'll drag drop it in the assault 2. We will hide this rifle and then we'll enable the assault 2 rifle, and for this we will just select this muzzle flash 1 and we'll rename it to muzzle flash 2, and then we will move it to the this gun. Okay, so yeah, that's great. We will duplicate it again and we'll just move it inside assault 3. We'll just select the muzzle flash 3. For this we will use the another material, so I will just drag drop this material over here. Okay, and now we have a different material for this gun. We'll just enable the gun, and now you can see we have this material. We'll just bring it here, somewhere here, and now we can scale it if we want. So I think the scale is fine almost, and then we can duplicate it again and we'll just drag drop it for these all 4, and then we will just enable it and muzzle flash 4, bring it to this spot. Okay, so now we can just enable all the guns and we will hide the muzzle flashes. So if we select all the guns, we will select this muzzle flash, and initially we will hide these, and then definitely we can hide these guns as well. Only one gun will be enabled initially. And now in the code we will go and in the weapon changer script, first of all we will add a public game object muzzle flash. This is a array object, and then we will go to the function here in the update. We will just create a left mouse click. So here you can see that we have already created right mouse click. So in this case we are using the left mouse click, so 0 is used from left mouse click, and we are checking that if the player is R, then we will activate the muzzle flash, and then muzzle flash will be off with a coroutine, and this coroutine we will write over here. So now this is the coroutine. We are giving it a 0.03 seconds, and then after that the muzzle flash will be disabled. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And now we can save everything, and if we go back and let's go to scenes and the main menu, and let's play and let's see what will happen. Hopefully on the left click the muzzle flash should be enabled. So let's go. Okay, we can't test unless we build. So in the next video we'll add sound, and after that we will build it and test the muzzle flash and the sound of the gun as well.